Hello friend, I'm Prasad Godbole. Here too I'm dictate you the life of engineering. What is an actual of life of engineering? But what is the engineering? What is the subject of engineering? And how can we easily concern or easily understand the engineering? So let's we start the first subject of engineering. Oh, wait. I think you all thinks about the engineering is very tough and it is very complicated to understand. That's why everyone is mug up it easily. But now you have a solution. The solution is engineering life. So please like this video and subscribe all the engineering life. So let's start the first subject. Oh yeah, every teacher said like that. We start first subject fluid mechanics, but no, we understand the first subject fluid mechanics. It is a subject of the fluid. What is the fluid? The fluid is air, water, any condition in your environment that can be concerned with the solid body. It is moving. It is a fluid. As now we started from the difference between solid and fluid. Why we find out the difference between solid and fluid? Because we know what is the solid and what is the fluid. What is the condition of the fluid? It is the most important question is asked in interview, because they have to know the basic knowledge of the person in the front of their interview. So what is the basic difference between solid and fluid? First, there are two body. One is solid body, another is a fluid. The second is the solid body is constant with respect to given load. But in a fluid, it is the opposite. It is not exactly opposite, but the fluid is constant. Fluid is varies with respect to time continuously. Means it is not a given condition. It is a dynamic fluid. It is more. It is dynamic body. It is always moving one position to another. Let's we go to the third position point. Never regain its original position. Means it's a rough body. It's a raw material. It is become a solid part. After that, cannot be regain its original position. But in a fluid, it remove of load, regain their original position. Last point of this solid is fourth one is resistance to all kind of load. Resistance to all kind of load. And in fluid, only resist to compressive force. Compression. Only resist the compression. Let's move on. Start to know fluid. Okay. But we now understand what is the fluid. But fluid is dynamic. Dynamic property. Fluid have different properties. The fluid properties. Let's we understand the different type of fluid properties. First one is the property is fluid. First one property of fluid is density. It denoted by rho. What is the definition of density? Density is defined as the ratio of mass upon volume. What is the unit of mass? Is kg and the volume is meter cube. This is the SI unit of density. SI unit of density. Let's we understand the density of water. What is the density of water? Is 1000 kg per meter cube. And what is the density of air? Is 1.2 kg per meter cube. It is standard density of liquid and it is standard density of gases. Understand, it is the very important point. The most of the GATE exam, it's too much time ask this question or ESC. What is the standard density of gas and liquid? It is water and air, and mostly used in the solving the Boussinesq problem is mercury, Hg. What is the density of mercury? Is 313,600 kg per meter cube. So density of solid is greater than density of liquid is greater than density of gas. It is asking in the exam of MSc or the Indian Electric Board. It is the most important question asked by the government exam. But for example, there are some densities here: solid, liquid, gases. But the density of liquid is 1000 is greater than solid. That means rho GH is greater than rho H2 greater than rho air. This is the most IMP point. It is fitting in your brain for the exam point of view. Your quantitative exam means your qualified exam, or ISC or most of the government exam ask this in degree level. It is the most important point. Then let's we understand the next property is weight density. Or specific density. Specific weight. It denoted by W, small W. Let's we define weight density. It is defined as the ratio of weight of fluid upon volume of fluid. What is the weight of fluid? Mass into gravity upon volume. Then let's we see the mass is in kg and gravity is in gravity is in Newton per kg and volume is meter cube. It is the unit of weight density is, this is a kg is gone, Newton per meter cube. Or here we understand that mass upon volume into gravity is the rho into g. Its unit is Newton per meter cube. It's so simple to understand. And what is the weight of the fluid? Weight of any fluid is equal to WD is W into V. Therefore, rho into G into V. It is the most important point where we find out the weight is the rho into G into V. So, what is the important point of view here? The density is an absolute quantity. It is not vary with respect to location, where the weight density is vary with respect to location. Up to that, we have the all about the properties of fluid is seen in our next video. So please keep watching this channel, subscribe it, like it, and ask your doubts, queries in the comment box. I will be in a few days to send my contact number and detail at the end of this video. Thank you.